Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Anno 1800 on PC. To begin your journey, select an island and establish your initial settlement. Your primary goal is to satisfy the basic needs of your citizens, such as providing fish and workers' homes. As your population grows, you will unlock more advanced buildings and complex production chains. Remember to explore both the Old World and the New World to access a wider variety of essential resources and expand your empire. Building a robust economy is crucial for success in Anno 1800. You'll need to set up intricate production chains, from farming potatoes to crafting advanced machinery. It's vital to balance the supply of goods with the demand from your growing population to ensure stability. Efficiently manage trade routes between your islands to move resources where they are needed most. Don't forget to invest in public services like fire stations and hospitals to keep your citizens content and productive. Anno 1800 isn't just about building. It also involves strategic interactions with other factions. You can engage in diplomacy, forming alliances, or trading agreements to benefit your empire. However, sometimes conflict is inevitable. Build a powerful navy to protect your valuable trade routes and project your influence across the seas. Be prepared to defend your islands from aggressors, or launch your own campaigns to conquer new territories and expand your dominion. For advanced players, optimizing your island layouts is key to maximizing production efficiency. Consider specializing certain islands for specific industries, like a dedicated farming island or a heavy industry hub. Make smart use of blueprints and modules to significantly boost the performance of your buildings. Don't forget to participate in exciting expeditions and host grand world's fairs to earn unique rewards and further enhance your thriving empire.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.